Stopping someone from screenshotting your profile picture on WhatsApp is sometimes important. This video is step-by-step guide to do it. All you need to do is go to open WhatsApp, go to the privacy, go to the profile photo. Here you need to check the options like my contacts. This will help you that the people in your contacts list can see your profile. Nobody means nobody can see your profile picture. My contacts except this will exclude some specific people that will help you to seeing not your profile. So this is very interesting thing like how you can stop things from WhatsApp. You can even do the same for status too. Like the WhatsApp is now more coming for the privacy purpose, and it's pretty cool to see that. Also, so this was how to do that, how to stop people from screenshotting your profile picture. And if you think it's very necessary, then you can block that specific user too. Blocking someone will definitely make sure that they won't see your status, activity, and any kind of thing on WhatsApp. So this was how you can stop screenshotting your profile picture on WhatsApp, and I'll see you in the next one.